for my intro anymore. I'm feeling so bland. That's the issue that I'm currently facing with my yellow hair. When it fades and it loses its vibrancy, it's just so boring. So yeah, I'm getting bored of the yellow hair, and this is why it's the perfect time for me to try my first ever front lace wig. I'm super excited because I've never had front lace wig before, and this was sent to me completely for free by DonaLoveHair. This is not sponsored, I'm not getting paid. I do have a discount code just for you if you want to use it, but I'm not an affiliate and I'm not getting anything from it. I haven't tried it yet. I thought it would be fun to try to wear it for the first time on camera and see how I do. I didn't really search that much on how to wear a front lace wig. I know that some people have different techniques. There's some people that use a lot of products. I only have spirit gum and the hopes that everything's gonna be okay. I haven't cut the lace yet. I don't even remember the name of this model, but I will put it somewhere on the screen. And as soon as I saw it, I really wanted to get it because it reminds me of the romantic vampire. It takes me back to Interview with the Vampire, Castlevania maybe, you know, the big voluminous curly hair. I got the gray wig, but on the website it looked a little bit more like ashy blonde, and it depends on the light. It kind of changes. Like, I don't know how it is appearing on screen, but right now with my ring light it does kind of look blondish, but with natural light it's true gray. So it was not exactly what I wanted because I was looking more for a very cool toned blonde. If that's what you're looking for, it's better for you to actually get the blonde one because this one is more of a true gray. It has like a shift of a little bit golden, and sometimes it almost looks like purple or violet. So I wouldn't say this is an 100% realistic wig. I'll see how it looks like when I'm wearing it, but it does have like this kind of shine to it that doesn't look very natural. Also, the curls are maybe a little bit too perfect, but that's also why I got it, because there would be no way in hell that I would ever get this effect with my real hair, because my hair is thin, it's greasy, and it's flat, and it just doesn't hold a curl. So I'm gonna show you what you get when you buy a wig from DonaLoveHair. I got everything in this pretty little teal box. Inside you get a wig cap, a brush for your wig, and obviously the wig. I already did like the foundation for my makeup. I'm not sure if you're supposed to do your makeup before or after the wig. I'm not even sure if there's a rule. So I kind of did half my makeup. I'm gonna put on the wig and then do my eyes and see how it goes. So let's put my hair on a ponytail first. Oh, there are two wig caps actually. It looks like they're made for very tiny heads, so we'll see. Oh no. This is very tight. Okay, I'm feeling very weird. First, I had to redo my ponytail. You really can't do like a bun on top of your head. That's not gonna work. It needs to be flat. So I changed the ponytail to the back of my head. This is incredibly tight, and I'm like, I was mesmerized looking at myself at the mirror. And like, is this how I would look if I was bald? I don't mind it. It's really weird. I just realized how close my ears are to my skull. It looks like I have no ears at all. Look, they're outside the cap, but it looks like they're inside the cap. You can't see it. I'm a perfect egg. Why do I have no ears? Very disturbing. Okay, so now the wig has this kind of comb, whatever, how do you want to call it, in the front. So I'm guessing that will stick to the front of the wig cap. The lace is pretty dark compared to my skin tone, so that kind of worries me a bit. And I'm also not 100% sure how close you're supposed to cut it. So I'm gonna cut it pretty close, I guess. Also, like, this bit of hair, I can't really do much about it because it's my shaved sides. so I think it will probably show through, we'll see. Oh, it actually has a bunch of combs, not just one, it's 3 in the front. I think my head is too big. Clip it! Why don't you just clip? Oh my god. Oh, finally, okay. Whoa, this is a little bit too much. So now we have the clips, if I can find them. Here's one. There you go, stick it in there. Here's another one. And I need to stick it in there as well. We need a mirror to see what I'm doing. Alright, so I looked at myself in the mirror and I have a couple of things to say. Some positive and some not so positive, I guess. So first, the color is really growing on me. It's a really distinct type of gray. I really like it. The curls are amazing. I think I look super different and I like it. But here's a few negatives. One is this is so incredibly tight. I think I just figured out I have a big head because this is so tight. I'm absolutely sure it's gonna give me a headache if I wear it all day. Another thing is the lace is a little bit too dark. So I think I might be able to cover it with some makeup, but it definitely is too dark compared to my skin. I don't think I even need the spirit gum because, to be honest, I don't think it would make a difference. I don't think this hairline is super incredibly realistic to begin with, and me putting some spirit gum there won't really change that fact. The only place where I would put some spirit gum is here near the ears. I'm not going to do that because I'm at home and I'm not planning leaving the house, so I don't think it's worth it. But this would be like stuck to the ear, so you can wear your hair pulled back, which looks really cute now that I'm looking at it. Like this, well, it looks not so great. So this is the only place where I would probably put some spirit gum, because here on top it's so tight, it's not gonna go anywhere. You can wear the hair like up like this, do some cute hairstyles for sure, or some more Marie Antoinette hairstyles. Another detail that is not so great is just what's going up here. So you have this little line here that looks pretty realistic. You can kind of part the hair here. Well, not so much, but it does look realistic. You can see like your own scalp here, or in this case the wig cap, and it does look like it is supposed to. But then it's just this like inch or something, because back here there's no line, there's nothing, it's just hair kind of combed back, and it's not realistic at all. It's just like this bit here is like, that's nice, why don't you do the rest similar to this? I guess you can try and style it, but not sure how realistic that's gonna look. The thing is, I'm not the person that cares about looking supernatural and realistic. This is also a gray wig, so I'm not sure if people would ever think this is my real hair. So I'm not incredibly bothered by it, but to be honest, it does look a little bit costumey and it's not passable. I don't think anyone would think this is my real hair. I'm gonna brush the wig a little bit. It is incredibly soft. Oh, it's getting poofier. It is great quality for a synthetic wig, that's for sure. Oh, it's looking a lot prettier. Yes, volume. Look at the difference. Yeah, I mean, I like the puffier version a lot better. I'm sure this will also look super cute with a hat. There's a lot of people that say to not wear hats with wigs because it makes it super obvious. I don't really give a fuck. Hats are cute. Wear hats with everything. Okay, like, I love it so much more now. I feel like a god. I couldn't help but put a hat on it. I think it looks super adorable. I've been wearing it around the house now for over an hour, and I can definitely say that I'm having a headache now. It's not super aggressive, but this is really tight. Who are these tiny-headed people? Like, is my head ginormous? Maybe it is. I'm not sure anymore. I would need a little bit larger of a wig so I wouldn't feel this constant pressure in my forehead and on the back of my head. Being squeezed. But I think it's time for me to conclude my makeup and see how this looks with a full face, so let's do that. Alright! I feel like I've done such a sloppy job with this makeup, but I'm so tired. This has been a work day for me, and at this point I just want to drink some tea and watch Westworld. So now that everything came together, I'm really happy with the wig. It is kind of costumey, but for a synthetic wig, it's high quality for sure. It's the best quality wig that I owned. Not that says a lot because I don't own a lot of wigs. It makes me feel like a vampire doll, so I'm totally happy with that look. The price is a little bit too much, over $100. I'm gonna be totally honest, I wouldn't pay that much for a wig, but you can easily find discount everywhere for this store, including my discount, which you can use for 25% off just using my name. So that makes it a bit more affordable and a more realistic price for the quality, I would say. I'm gonna insert some footage here from the future on how this wig looks on the outside in sunlight, and probably styled differently. What do you think of it? Do you think it's cute? The link to this wig will be on the description box if you're interested, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!